Hello children, today we are going to discuss the book exercises of chapter 18, Rights and Duties. So let's start with A part. Read the following. Write R if it is your right. Write D if it is your duty. First, to get healthy food, it's your right, you will write R. Not to waste food, it is your duty. To keep the school clean, it is your duty. To go to school, it is your right. Third, to play, yes, it's your right. To play fair, it's your duty. Fourth, not to use words that hurt others, it's your duty. To say what you want, it's your right. Now second part, B part, fill in the blanks. First, the Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. Second, the fundamental rights are 6 in number. Third, the right to freedom allows citizens to travel wherever they want. Fourth, children who are less than 14 years of age cannot work. Fifth, the minorities are people who are less in number. Now C part, tick the correct answers. First, which country has the longest written constitution? Answer is India. Second, in which year India became republic? In 1950. Third, children in which age group should be given free education? Answer is 6 to 14 years. Fourth, what are directive principles? That are guidelines. Answer is guidelines. Now the D part, write true or false. Now the first, if our fundamental rights are denied, we can move court. The statement is true. Yes children, if anyone denied our right, we can move to court and take our right. Second, all Indian citizens are equal. Yes, the statement is true. Yes children, in India after independence, all citizens are equal. Third, the constitution allows the rich to exploit the poor. No, the statement is false. No, our constitution is written in a way that no one can exploit any poor person. Fourth, it is our fundamental duty to keep our surroundings clean. Yes, it is our basic duty to keep our environment clean and healthy. The statement is true. Now the E part, write FR for fundamental rights, FD for fundamental duties, or DP for directive principles. First, we can follow any religion. Answer is FR. Second, people should get medical care when needed. Answer is DP. Third, we must stand up when the national anthem is being played. Answer is FD. Fourth, we should throw garbage in dustbins. The answer is FD. Fifth, a small child cannot be employed in a factory. Answer is FR. Now the F part, what are your duties as a student? Tick your choice. First, to do what teacher says. Yes, it is your duty, you will tick it. Second, to study well. It is your duty, you will tick it. Third, to reach school late. No, you should not be late for school. Fourth, to keep the school clean. Yes, it is also your duty. Fifth, to make noise in class. No, you should keep quiet in the class. Sixth, to take part in class activities. Yes, this is your duty. Thank you.